is not the only talking drum we have in Africa. And I want to tell you, virtually all African drums are talking drums. That is point number one. Number one, we have Bedu talking drum. But I will call it Bedu Yoruba talking drum. Another one is Igbi Yoruba talking drum. Another one is Agere Yoruba talking drum. We have Ipesi Yoruba talking drum. We have Bata Yoruba talking drum. We have Dundun Yoruba talking drum. And we have Akuba Yoruba talking drum as well. We have Shakara talking drum. Shakara Yoruba talking drum. We have Shekere Yoruba talking drum. We have many other ones, Ogido and the likes. In fact, let me tell you, Akuba is the same thing as Ogido. Is that how you say Akuba talking drum or Ogido Yoruba talking drum? Sit tight, sit back, I'm still coming.